Welcome back. Now the next tab over is going to be the Review tab. And there are two basic sides to the Review tab, even though there are numerous elements and tabs. You're basically going to have areas where you can make changes to your document once you have completed. That would be proofing, speech, accessibility, and language. What you can also do is you can collaborate and work with others and work with them on your document once it's been completed. And there you use comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. Now in this video, we're going to focus on the first half of these elements, proofing, speech, accessibility, and language. Now with the spelling and grammar area, what we can do is basically spell check and grammar check our document. All we'll need to do to set this in motion is to click this link. So when we click the link, what's going to happen is that Word is going to go through your document and it's going to make suggestions based on basic grammar and basic spelling. And of course, all you'll need to do is you'll need to click on the proper choice or write in that proper choice. We'll come across another one and we can make various decisions on the choices. And then once the spelling and grammar check is complete, we can then click OK. We can also take one word and we can try to find alternative words for it. So for example, if we highlight this word, we can use our thesaurus, and we can then look for other words that we might use in its place. If we're trying to do a word count of our entire document or a particular section, we can highlight the section, we can then click word count, and then Microsoft Word will give us statistics on that particular area. We can have certain parts of our document read aloud to us. So for example, if we highlight this area, we click read aloud.
Virtual reality, VR, is exactly what it sounds like it is. VR provides the opportunity to experience something that seems like a...
So you'll understand how your document sounds when it is read. You can do a check for accessibility to make sure your document is going to be suitable for everyone that might want to read it. And we can also translate our document into different languages. So for example, what we can do is we can click the Translate button. We can translate a specific selection. We can choose to use intelligent services. We can then choose the language that we want the document to be translated into. And then we have our translation. And what we can do then is we can then insert. We then have our information in. And if we want, we can then go in. And then we can then have this read aloud to us. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.